Set high above the West Okement River on the northern fringe of Dartmoor, Okehampton Castle stands as the largest castle ruin in Devon. Tucked away in a tranquil wooded valley, its peaceful setting today belies a dramatic history that spans nearly 9 centuries. The fortress was originally founded between 1068 and 1086 by Baldwin Fitzgilbert, Sheriff of Devon, following the Norman Conquest to establish control along key routes into Cornwall. Entering through the long stone barbican and gatehouse, you step into the lower bailey, a layout originally built for defence that later evolved into a grand home. In the early 14th century, Hugh Courtenay, Earl of Devon, transformed the castle from a rugged stronghold into a luxurious hunting lodge and residence. Surrounding the inner courtyard are the substantial remains of the great hall, kitchens and private chapel, giving a clear glimpse into everyday medieval noble life. Dominating the entire site is the massive earthen motte, capped by the imposing stone keep. The original Norman square tower was doubled in height during the Courtenay expansions. The castle remained in the Courtenay family until 1538, when Henry Courtenay fell victim to King Henry VIII's political purges and was executed for treason, causing the castle to fall into ruin. From the summit of the keep, sweeping vistas open up across the surrounding woodland and countryside. Preserved today by English heritage, Okehampton Castle remains one of the most atmospheric medieval ruins in the West Country.